what we had to do is put a 10-inch die in the center of that wheel, as well as a plate and another die, so that there'll be enough stroke room to push that tire, or to push that wheel through that tire. Also going to put a board right underneath here to make sure that the wheel doesn't bang into the ground. And then we're going to literally press the tire right out of the wheel. Okay. Our man is once again double checking to make sure it is centered. You'll notice that when he pressed that wheel out, he feathered it. He didn't just push it down one time and force the tire out. He moved a little bit to let the rubber respond, and then moved a little more and let the rubber respond. In doing so, there's less probability of him actually pouring out the old tire. Not that the old tire has integrity. Does make it a whole lot easier if you don't have a cord out tire. Now we're reversing the process. Just going to put that press die up along with the plate. The reason why we're using the press die and plate, and sometimes you don't need to, when our guy is out on the road, he does not need it. But there is enough room in this setup so that we can do much taller tires. And for that reason, we now have to compensate for that, given the stroke of the press die itself. Also is using a press ring. That press ring will fit over the top part of this. It will stretch that tire, ensuring that the tire doesn't rip when it goes on. He will also grease or lube the tire and the wheel. And what he's doing right now is lubing the wheel as well as that press die. Make sure that the tire moves on there easily enough. There's not so much that you have a lot of trouble, but enough so that it will go on there smoothly. It's important when you put the tire back on that it's parallel or perpendicular to the die itself.
You might have to stop it.
What's that?
Go on.